Maintainability has been one of the important goals in the Vaisala weather radar design. This affects both the scheduled maintenance program as well as corrective maintenance tasks. A good example of maintenance is the changing of parts in the antenna pedestal. The most commonly changed spare parts are, for example, rotary joints, antenna motors or gearboxes. These can be changed without disassembling the whole antenna pedestal. And this significantly reduces downtime and the amount of staff needed for the work. Only the annual maintenance is needed. It includes the checking of hardware and functionality on site. It's not necessary at all to change oil and gearbox lubricants or remove any major parts for checking. These parts are maintenance-free. Typical annual maintenance will take only 1 day or less, which again keeps the downtime to a minimum. Radar system monitoring is done remotely via a built-in monitoring and testing system. It automatically indicates abnormalities. The same system makes it possible to perform some tasks remotely, such as radar calibration needed for high data quality. If the customer would like it, the daily monitoring can be done by Vaisala using the SiteConnect remote monitoring service. The SiteConnect service informs our help desk directly of any abnormalities and corrective actions can be started without delay.